And we're back to CapCut, and let me show you a way you can add simple noise to your footage. Here we have a very clean shot. Let us go to Effects, Video Effects, and under Retro you should find something called Film Frame. But it gives you this typical TV snow effect where you can have these little fragments. You can't really adjust it here, but you can add other effects. So if you want to intensify it, there are specific noise effects in the same category. Right here, noise 1 and noise 2. It gives you these black stripes. You can adjust the speed for them, so if you don't want them to move that fast, go down a little bit. And noise 2, this gives you a little bit more of the snow effect. Look at the edges, it gets brighter now. And there's more noise, more of this snow effect, more of this TV dirt effect floating around. Combine these three effects, and I've set film frame for some reason. It's called like that. And then these two noise effects. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.